Today I'm going to share with you all something which is very important to me, very important aspect of my life, I can say part of my life. Uh, Few of them know that I meditate, and generally because I have got many texts from people that what do you actually meditate on, what do you do when you meditate, all these were questions they put to me. So I just thought of making this video and sharing with all of you that actually what is meditation. Uh, we all understand meditation in a way. We all think meditation is just to relieve stress. Meditation, let us meditate when we are just feeling low or something like that. But meditation as a very huge meaning. It has a very deep meaning, and meditation is something to do with your inner self. Now, when I talk about inner self, many people talk about inner self, but actually, what is that? When we say we have something as inner self, what is this inner self? We talk about consciousness. Something tells us what is right for us, what is wrong for us. We have some kind of thing which tells us this is right for you, or we can say that instinct which tells us this is good or this is bad. Sometimes we don't know what decision to take because our heart tells something, our mind tells something. We are always like a pendulum moving here and there with our thoughts. We cannot make proper decisions because there is no integration between the heart and the mind. I can say heart and the brain. So for that, our connection with the divine power is important. We talk about this divine power. What is this divine power in reality? Science calls it as the cosmic power. We see that this cosmic power which is there, it works out living things. You see the change of seasons, you see the earth sprouting the seed and growing into a tree, you see our evolution. So all these things have been done without any effort, spontaneously. In the same way, when we talk about meditation, which is our connection with our inner self or with the cosmic power, it has to be effortless and spontaneous, something which is easy. So putting an effort to meditate, like we can say people do breathing, control their breath for meditation, to concentrate on something, to actually meditate, to control your thoughts. All these things cannot be meditation because you're putting an effort. It has to come spontaneously, effortlessly. So I feel myself very blessed to be part of Sahaj Yoga meditation, which was founded by Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi in the year of 1970, which is a spontaneous meditation technique through which we automatically, effortlessly get into this meditative state. The state which is called as thoughtless awareness. It's a very beautiful state. I cannot tell you with words how it feels to be in that state. It's just you have to experience it. You don't have to even believe me what am I saying. You believe your experience. Try it out. It's being thoughtlessly aware. You're completely without thoughts but completely in your awareness. Is that really possible? Yes, it is. Your experience will speak when you try out Sahaj Yoga. So it's nothing but being in the present. We had so many saints even in the foreign countries. If you have heard about Socrates, Lao Tse, and many others, they all spoke about knowing your inner self. In China, people call it as Tao. Tao means you look at something without thinking. Can that really happen? With your awareness, it can happen. Yes, and that is what is meditation in reality. So I would suggest you all to try out meditation, and we don't have to feel we have to sit for hours to meditate. It's just a matter of 10 minutes in a day. Just give some time to yourself. It's for your growth, your inner growth. And you will find qualities which you never had. I mean the qualities which are good for you manifesting without any effort. Because meditation is something which is divine, which is beyond what we could conceptualize or beyond what we could think of. So try it out, and if you have any queries, you have anything to ask, you can DM me privately. I'm here to help you. We have also youth going through a lot of stuff. We have people going through depression, anxiety, and today there is no end to problems. Solution for all of it is, if you know yourself better, if you know yourself, I'm talking is again the inner self, because outside we are all grosser people, inside we are subtler. So once we know our subtle system properly, we become, our bases are more stronger. Our base to understand things in a much easier way, in a much mature way is there. So I would suggest you all to try it out. Thank you so much for listening to me.